is the creativity and hard work of my students. So I really appreciate and take this opportunity to congratulate my students, and I request Father to release our class magazine.
Good morning, everyone. I am standing in front of you to introduce the class magazine of class 10B, Sunspush, which means Connect. The theme of this magazine is Connect Mind and Create Future.
Now I invite Ganga ma'am to come forward with the class magazine.
Good morning everyone. Happy Independence Day. Welcome to the special occasion of class magazine release, and it gives me immense pleasure to introduce before you the class magazine of class 11, and the name of the magazine is Memories and Milestones. In this magazine we have tried to bring out the memories and milestones from 2006 to 2024. Though in one book it may not be possible to bring out everything in just one book, but we have tried a lot. Thanks to the contributors and the editorial board who have worked hard by burning the midnight oil. Hope you enjoy reading it. And I request Father Shinosh to release the class magazine.
Thank you, Father.
A universal language that transcends boundaries and speaks directly to the heart. It's a celebration of expression, grace, and the beauty of human movement. Today, we are in for a treat as we showcase a performance that embodies these very elements. We are thrilled to have join us for this extraordinary morning of rhythm, movement, and artistry.
सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्य श्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्। झर झर नदियाँ सर सर चलती पवन शुभ तेरे मौसम वन्दे मातरम्। जंगल जंगल डाली डाली चांद जी बरसे सपनों वाली तेरे चरणों का चुंबन ले हम शीतल मुस्कान तेरा करम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम। उड़ने डूबे गायर चैता की चैताल्या चैता की चैताल्या चैता की चैताल्या। शिवजी का बामन सची फूल फुल्या छना अरे फूल फुल्या छना हाँ फूल फुल्या छना। हात माधारू छातीरो रेशमी रो आलाशाचे मुंड माधारू छातीरो घाशी गोगाडू हात माधारू छाती घालिलो रेशमी रुमाला सजे मुंडमा धाल्यो चांदीलो घासी घोटाडुआ बोल रेशमी रुमाला भावोरा केले पोथला उडेल्या बोल रेशमी रुमाला भावोरा केले पोथला उडेल्या
performance. Please give them a huge round of applause. Now the time has
come to unveil the class magazine of class 4 and 5 that is being crafted with immense creativity, dedication and passion. In these magazines, you will find thought-provoking articles, stories, poems, artwork and many more. Each page has been thoughtfully designed to offer a unique and engaging experience. Please join me in welcoming Sister Evelyn to release the magazine. Sister, please. Now I request Sushmita ma'am and Meeta ma'am to come forward with the magazine.
Good morning, everyone. It's a matter of great pleasure to me to bring out this edition of the magazine Spectrum, prepared by my dear children of class 4. I am thankful to all my dear children of class 4 for their wonderful and valuable contribution to this. And I wholeheartedly applaud the effort taken by them. And I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Reverend Father Shinoj for his support and able guidance. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone present here. First of all, happy independence to all of you. I feel immense pleasure to present the class magazine of class 4B, Three Wings. It is a creation by the students and for the students. I am really thankful for each and every student of my class for their hard work, dedication. Thank you.
I invite Meenu ma'am and Kavita ma'am to come forward with the magazines.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Independence Day. It will be a great pleasure and pride to unveil my class magazine, Impression. This magazine is a reflection of our creativity, our teamwork, and our experiences. Each article and artwork represents the talents of my students.
Nature is the art of God, and this is what we want to orchestrate through our magazine. So, good morning, everyone, and happy Independence Day. As the class teacher of class 5B, on the behalf of my dear students, I would like to present the nature's embrace, the 4 elements through this magazine. Hope you all will, when you will go through it, you will love it. Okay,
Thank you, sister.
It is a special moment for us as we welcome a remarkable individual who has made a significant impact on us today. Today, we are honored to have her with us, a dedicated educator and a passionate teacher known for their innovative approach towards learning. Please join me in giving a warm and heartfelt welcome to Shashi ma'am. We look forward towards your speech.
की वो धरती हमारी है जिसमें वीरों की कुर्बानी न्यारी है। भारत माँ का हर लाल कहे देश की सेवा सबसे प्यारी है। A very good morning to Reverend Father Shinos, respected Chief Guest Mrs. Radhika, Principal, Modern Academy, Indrapuram, teachers and my dear students. A very happy Independence Day to you all. Today we celebrate the Independence Day, a day filled with pride and reflection. It's a time to remember the courage of those who fought for our freedom and the values that make our country special. Independence means having the freedom to make choices, but it also means taking responsibility for those choices. As you grow and learn, remember that the power of independence lies in how you use it to help others and make a positive difference. Let's honor this day by embracing our responsibilities with kindness, working hard in our students and supporting one another. By doing so, you help make our country a better place, just as those before us did. Enjoy this special day and let's strive to live up to the values of independence every day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Shashi ma'am, for your enlightening words. We are gathered here today to celebrate the creativity and hard work of our classmates who have poured their hearts and souls into this publication. This magazine is a testament to our collective efforts, showcasing the talent and passion of our class. We are delighted to welcome Sister Teresa to the release of Class magazine of Class 7 and 8. Sister, please. I request Reema ma'am and Danne ma'am to come forward with the magazines.
A very good morning, one and all present here, and wish you all a happy Independence Day. First of all, I would like to thank Reverend Father Shinoj for giving my students a wonderful opportunity like this. And my students, I am so proud of you. You really worked hard on this magazine, Reflection, and so happy to see that you are so active and actively participated in making this one a great thing. Thank you all.
Good morning, one and all present here. I would like to thank Father Shinoj for giving us this opportunity for this class to make this magazine. And at the same time, I would like to thank the children of my class, Class 6A, for doing the wonders in this magazine. They have put in their hard work a lot. Now I request Sister Teresa to release this magazine. Thank you.
I invite Santosh sir and Nitin sir to come forward with their magazines.
Good morning everyone and happy Independence Day to all of you. It's my pleasure to introduce this magazine class 7th A. So I would like to give the credit of the success of this magazine to my dear students of class 7th A. I appreciate their wonderful contribution to the completion of this magazine. I bless and pray to have never ending and steady success in every action of their life. Thank you.
नमस्कार सभी को। स्वतंत्रता दिवस की सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मैं यहाँ पर उपस्थित हूँ 7th B की मैगजीन रिलीज़ के लिए, जिसका नाम है नन्ही कलम से। मैं उन सभी नन्ही कलम को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने इसमें बहुत मेहनत की है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sister. As we continue our program, it's my distinctive pleasure to introduce our esteemed guest of honor for today. We are honored to have with us Ms. Radhika Tadepalli, who has an experience of more than 30 years in the field of education, has attained significant milestones as a teacher, administrator, as well as an author. She is the founder and principal of Modern Academy Lucknow and of Modern Academy Indrapuram. She has a postgraduate degree in English and a bachelor's degree in education. Her repertoire includes being the convener of ISC examinations, Ghaziabad Zone, and inspector of schools for CISE. She is trained in Carnatic classical music and is passionate about encouraging art forms and waves of India. Ma'am, the stage is yours.
Good morning, Reverend Father Shinoj, sisters, teachers, and dear students. Wish you all a very, very happy Independence Day. And it gives me great pleasure to be here celebrating this wonderful day amongst the students of St. Anthony. And for this, I would like to thank Father Shinoj for giving me this opportunity to be here and spend a day with you. Independence, yes, it reminds us of the struggles that we went through to get this freedom. It is indeed very precious, and in these present times, it's all the more valuable to remember why we fought to be free from a foreign rule. And then I'm reminded of Tagore's famous lines where he says, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. And then he ends it by saying, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. He speaks of divisions of various kinds and he seeks for unity amongst his countrymen. Today, when I'm seeing this program being put up by the students under the guidance of the teachers and with the inspiration from a wonderful personality, I would say, you are very, very lucky to have Father Shinoj amongst you. Yes, he deserves a clap. I see that glimpse and the glimmer of a heaven of freedom here. The unity with which you have put up all the various cultural programs, the way you've been shaped into ever-widening thought and action which I can see in the magazine. So beautifully done. Each magazine painstakingly done. I'm going through. I didn't get much time, but whatever I could look into, I saw those pages beautifully, painstakingly, lovingly presented and written. So congratulations, children, for today's release of each and every class magazine that you have put up. And may you continue to grow like this, and may we ask God to give Father Shinoj for many more years to St. Anthony's and to Ghaziabad zone. Thank you once again for having me here. I enjoyed every minute of it. Jai Hind.
Your presence here has added a special touch to our event, and your inspiring words have motivated us all. We are truly honored to have you with us.
Thank you for sharing your insights and supporting our efforts. Your encouragement means a lot to us and has made this event truly memorable.
We have a special moment ahead as we present a token of appreciation to the guest of honor, and for this, I would like to call upon Father Shinoj on the stage.
We have the result, and I would like to call the house animators to come and receive the prizes. And for distributing the prizes, I would like to call Hina ma'am on the stage. Sub-junior category, first prize goes to Blue House. Second prize goes to Red House. And third prize goes to Yellow House. I request all the animators to come on the stage. Junior category, first prize goes to Blue House, second prize goes to Green House, and third prize goes to Red House. Senior category, first prize goes to Red House, second prize goes to Green House, and third prize Blue House. Now we have the result of Independence Day Bulletin Board Decoration Competition. To distribute the prizes, I would like to call Mrs. Anida Biju on the stage. I request all the class teachers to come on the stage to receive the prizes. Class 1 and 2, first prize goes to Class 1B. Second prize goes to Class 1A. Sub-junior category 3 to 5. First prize goes to Class 3B. Second prize goes to Class 5A. Junior category 6 to 8. First prize goes to Class 6B. Second prize goes to Class 7A. Senior category 11 and 12. First prize goes to 12 class and second prize goes to 10B. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you. As we draw the curtains on this remarkable event, it is now my privilege to extend a warm invitation to Father Shinoj, who will deliver the vote of thanks. Father, please.
Dear respected Mrs. Radhika Tadepalli, the guest of honor, dear teachers, dear parents, non-teaching staff and my dear students, good morning and happy Independence Day. Let's say together, Jai Hind. No, you can make some more loud noise. Jai Hind. You should be proud of your country. You should be proud of its achievements. Irrespective of all the problems we face, there is one thing that keeps us united. That is our patriotic spirit. our love for our motherland, the love for our country. And every year, meaningfully, we celebrate this day. Commemorating this day, we remember the great sacrifices and the great struggle we had to come up to this stage. And then again, students, as you students sit in front of me, when I look at you, I don't see you as students. I see in you your future 10 years from now, 20 years from now, what you will be. That's why we love to treat you as adults, as grown-ups. Because the future of the nation is safe in your hands. When we start treating you as adults, we know we give you more of respect. We give you more of your privileges to have that exposure, to have that faith in you, to have that confidence in you to become something good. So as we celebrate this day, I like to thank all my beloved teachers for preparing this day quite well, and the students for making it a very wonderful, memorable day. A special word of appreciation and gratitude to my beloved friend Radhika Tadepalli, a person of great help. When our students passed out, the first batch we had in 2017, Modern Academy was more than willing to take all of them to continue with their ISC studies. Took them even for a fee concession, they were willing to accommodate our students. That was very great. And from there, for all our activities, for the growth of our school, they have contributed a lot. Giving their teachers to help us, sending them as inspectors during the examination, sending them as examiners during the practicals and other examination. Radhika Tadepalli and their management, they stand with us. Let us put our hands together for all the help that we receive from. And as you heard, Mom is an inspector of schools. She is also an author. She writes books. Also, she trains people for IELTS, for this English-speaking courses. A great person. And loves traveling around the world. She keeps traveling across the country, across the world. So once again, I place my gratitude, dear Mom. Before I conclude, a word about your class magazine. There is a lot of effort put in by our teachers, the class teachers, their guidance, and then your creative fingers, your creative heart. You have made a wonderful effort. You have made a wonderful presentation. When I look at every magazine, everyone has presented it uniquely, in a very unique way. And if I am asked to spot something as exceptionally good, I will find it very difficult. All of you have done well, and all the magazines look very beautiful, but still, there are two magazines that are, bit more outstanding, of 10B and class 11. Being the senior students, I understand they have a special feel for the work that they do. I am not just reducing the work of the work done by other classes. They have done exceptionally well, all of them. So I congratulate all the class teachers and all the classes that presented their class magazines. Put our hands together for them. So once again, marking this day in our history, in the history of our school, I remain Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Father, for enlightening us. Now I request all of you to stand straight for the school anthem.